Hey, what's up everybody? Landan with LMR.com. We're out here at Mustang Week 2023, Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. Of course, last year, it was the last trip to the beach. This year, it's back to the beach. Very good to see it still going. We're thankful to be a sponsor again this year. And as you can see by the weather, it's raining today. It's technically the last day, so it's a bit unfortunate, but sometimes Myrtle Beach just does what it wants to do. So we had a really good time. We got in Wednesday, attended the Retro Meets, attended a few other isolated pop-up meets throughout the week, as well as some of the official Mustang Week meets as well. Car show was great on Friday. Of course, like I said, today being Saturday, I really wanted to get out there. We actually did. Jude, our social guy, he was out in the rain. Big props to him. And we also attended the Fox Body Cruise put on by Foxy Events. Followed those guys in the rain, got a few shots as we could, without just getting totally soaked. So hope y'all enjoy the content. So we're gonna turn y'all loose as always. Like the video if you find value in what we do. Subscribe, turn on notifications. And then until we see you in the next one, for all things 79 and present Mustang and SVT lighting, keep it right here with the Real Enthusiasts, LMR.com.